In this video, we're gonna check what is the maximum camera zoom available on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's go to the camera. Over here, first we're gonna start with the photo mode, 12 megapixels selected. And as you can see, we have 100x available pretty much straight away. Let's see if we can exceed that. No, 100x is the most that we can do. If I now switch to 50 megapixels, then in this case, the maximum zoom is 10x. And then 200 megapixels, it is also 10x. Alright, then we're gonna switch to the video mode, and first we're gonna check full HD 60 frames per second. In this case, the maximum zoom is 25x. If I switch to 4K resolution 60 frames per second, it is also 25x. 8K resolution 30 frames per second, this time 5x. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.